In this video, you'll learn how to change your name in eBay. This process will ensure that your account reflects your correct personal information for transactions and communications. Start by opening the eBay website or mobile app on your device. Once the home page loads, enter your email address or username along with your password to log in. After logging in successfully, locate your profile icon situated at the top of the page. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Account Settings. This will direct you to a section where you can manage your personal account information. Once you are in the settings, look for the section marked Personal Information. Clicking on this section will display various options related to your account details. In the Personal Information section, find the field that contains your current name. Next to this field, there should be an edit option. Click on this edit option and a form will appear for you to enter your new first and last name. It is crucial to ensure that the name you input is accurate and matches your official records, as discrepancies can lead to issues with payments or shipping. After entering your new name, double check the spelling to ensure everything is correct. When you are satisfied with the changes, look for the save or update button and click on it. eBay will then process your request and update your account details accordingly. Depending on your account security settings, you may be prompted to verify your identity during this process. If verification is required, follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Once the changes have been processed, your new name will be reflected in your account profile. To confirm the update, you can navigate back to your profile page and check that the new name appears correctly. Keeping your account information accurate is essential to avoid any complications during transactions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.